Hello, welcome back. If you have followed my previous tutorial, which is how to install Linux on a pre-existing Apache web server, we have run into an issue. You cannot actually use phpMyAdmin, which could pose an issue to some people. So let's get started. We're going to have to know where we have phpMyAdmin installed to, and if you used apt-get install, you'll just have to type in what I have. Now, if you're having a custom install, you'll have to know the installation path. You'll have to also know where you set up your document root at, so where your web servers are being served from. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do ln save. This is going to make a symbolic link to user share php myadmin, and we're going to go ahead and leave it at that, and we're going to go ahead and add var www default, and then that's it, just like so. Press enter. We're going to go ahead and do cd. We're going to go into our web directory. Remember, default is the default domain that I set up. Again, this is probably different compared to what your setup is. We're now going to go ahead and do service Nginx restart, and it's restarting Nginx. Now we can go ahead and go to our web browser and go ahead and go to our site and refresh the page, and we are still with an error, and why I do not know. Simple solution. Public HTML is where the default web files are coming from, so we got to go ahead and actually change this up. We're going to do cd ln save to default and public HTML. My bad. There we go. Now we can do service Nginx, if we can get there. Restart. Enter. And we can go ahead and open this back up and reload. We should be prompted with phpMyAdmin. Alright, sorry about that, and I'm glad you all followed past that. Sorry about that brief error. And that's about it. That's how you install phpMyAdmin. And there was actually another occurrence that showed up with Nginx about something not working, and I'm pretty sure that was error file. So let's go ahead and go to cd. We'll go into etc Nginx sites available. Press enter. Hold on. We're going to do cd etc Nginx. We're going to do ls so we can make sure we get the right thing. And we're going to do cd sites available. It'd help if I could spell ls, and then we're going to do vi default. Now let's go ahead and go down, and we're going to go ahead and go ahead and change this root to wherever your domain is. If we go ahead and press I first. So let's go ahead and press I, backspace this up to wherever you installed it to. So we're going to do var www default, and then public underscore HTML. Alright, so that's part of the issue right there. Now we're going to go ahead and go to location, which is up above here, right here. And we're going to go ahead and edit this line here. We're going to make it say try files, and then URI, and then URI, and then we're going to do equal 404. And we're going to escape, and then we're going to go ahead and right quit and press enter. Now let's go ahead and do cd, and then we're going to go ahead and do cd var www default public HTML. Here, hold on here, public, and then underscore HTML. Press enter. We're going to go vi and then 404.html. I think 404.html. And I'm going to go ahead and just add the web tags here. If I can press I, there we go. HTML. And let's go ahead, add head, title, close out the title. and go down to body and close the body and just put 404. Okay, so escape, right quit, and go to, it's probably not necessary, but let's do service, Nginx restart, and go ahead, open up where we were just at, refresh, make sure PHP my admin still works, and it should, and it does, and holy cow. And let's just put -p, and then we see 404. Holy crap, we have an error, so 404 is now working. Okay, sorry about all the issues that we had. I'm glad we worked through those. If you had any more questions or errors with Nginx, go ahead and comment on the video or send me a message, and comment, rate, or hold on, let me re-say that. Comment, rate, or subscribe, and that would be great. Thank you for watching.